Hi everyone and welcome to Select by Pinkvilla. Today I bring you another exciting episode of First Impressions. Today we have these not so newly launched makeup products by Sugarpop. I've heard a lot of things about these makeup products, some good and some bad, but today I'm gonna try it for myself and see. I have 4 products from their launch and they are Sugarpop Brown Shaper, which comes in rupees 299 and it is in the shade Walnut. Waterproof Eyeliner comes in rupees 329 and this is in the shade Black. Volumizing Mascara comes in rupees 299 and this is also in the shade Black. Last but not the least, Sugarpop Matte Lipstick comes in rupees 299 and it is in the shade Scarlet. So all of these products are very reasonable, and talking about the packaging, it's very colorful, poppy, it's playful. It kind of reminds me of the makeup kit I had as a child. So yeah, I can't wait to try these products out. Also, all these products, they claim to be cruelty-free and water-resistant, waterproof. Great. So as you can see, I don't have much makeup on my face because I am going to use these products and review them one by one. Alright, so let's start with the lipstick. It's in Scarlet shade and I'm opening. Alright, so it's a bullet-shaped lipstick, has a matte finish to it. It's not coming out! Oh my god! Is something wrong with the packaging? Sugarpop, your lipstick is literally refusing to come out from its package. So I'll have to apply this product with a lip brush. So I'm taking a product like that. The lipstick, it's not pigmented at all. You'll have to keep reapplying it, but still you won't be able to get that good pigment. I know it's on the reasonable side, but I don't like it and I won't buy this again. So the next product is the Brow Shaper in Walnut shade. And I love eyebrow packaging like this. So it is a really thin stick applicator here, and when you open the next side there is a spoolie. I find this 2-in-1 spoolie and the applicator thing so convenient. I hope this won't disappoint me like the lipstick did, so let's go. So, the Brow Shaper. However, this Brow Shaper did not disappoint me like the lipstick did. It was easy application, it glided through my eyebrows really well, and I think this is perfect for everyday use, and I like it. I would use this again. So the next product is eyeliner, and as you can see, I've already removed my eyeliner, so let me apply this. The eyeliner, let me start with the felt tip brush. It wasn't flexible, so I literally had to struggle a little bit while making my tiny wing here. And the pigment is also not that great. It's not jet black at all, and it gives a shiny cast over your eyelids. It's not that bad, but it's not that good, but I wouldn't purchase this. So last but not the least is this mascara. So let's see how this performs. Alright, so the mascara brush here has a dome shape of wand. So I'm just gonna apply it and show it to you guys. This is just one coat of mascara I've applied. However, the mascara wand, I found it a bit convenient because base here has a bigger dome shape while it goes thinner on the top part. So while you're applying for the inner corner, it's really convenient and it's easy to apply. But however, this mascara is just giving me just a little bit of length with zero volume. But let me try second coat and show it to you guys. It just gave me a tad bit length, no volume whatsoever. It's average, but I wouldn't buy this again. So overall, lipstick, a huge no. It's already faded from my lips. Mascara, maybe. Brow shaper, yes, I liked it. And eyeliner, no. So this was it for today's episode. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Select by Pinkvilla. And if you guys want me to review any products, please do comment below. Till then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!